Now I'll show you chicken in the oyster sauce. The main ingredients is oyster sauce. This is the main ingredients. Chopped green chilli, pepper powder, this is spring onion, this is chicken seasoning cubes, salt, brown sugar, ajinomoto, garlic, chopped garlic, ginger, sliced onion, cashew nut, corn flour mixed in the water. This is the Szechuan sauce. Light soya sauce, this is light soya sauce, tomato puree and red chilli paste. Now I'll show you the method. Chicken in the oyster sauce with the cashew nut. This is add some garlic, ginger, onion, it has to fry, chopped green chilli, spring onion, one teaspoon Szechuan sauce, I'm adding little chicken stock, the main ingredients oyster sauce, approximately 3 to 4 teaspoons, chicken seasoning cubes, half, salt and pepper, little bit brown sugar, ajinomoto, cashew nut, full cashew nut, add little light soya sauce, very little, red chilli paste and little bit tomato puree, very little. Add corn flour mix in the water. This has become thick. Now add chicken. The dish is ready. Chicken in the oyster sauce with the cashew nut. Put up the flame. Just put the bowl. On the top, just put some spring onion and leeks.